Namaste. Today we talking about the Hanumanasana for middle people who can more beginner to advanced level practice. Beginner to advanced level practice, how you can improve your Hanumanasana. So Hanumanasana, here you should go again, going to explain so how to go Hanumanasana to middle to advanced practice. So go again, same Ardha Hanumanasana. And keep breathing here. Inhale, leg back, right leg or left leg? Okay, one leg, right leg back. Exhale, front. Knee drop and move forward. Slowly, you will have small blanket also can be. If you have blanket or cushion, you can put under here, like here, put here, heel put here. Yes, so easy to push your leg forward. So adjust here and keep maintain. Maintain the hip front, left hip front. So you can have block here, support the block, good. Adjust, relax. So if you are very not so, your hip is moving forward and backward, so you can adjust the chest open like here. So stretch, toes point forward. Okay, keep breathing. Inhale and exhale. Now, open your chest little bit, finger support. If you think looking for your hand is too short, you can support the block here with your hands. Open the chest, and now you can more stretch, more open your chest. And keep stretching your leg. So inhale and exhale, bend your elbow, head down towards the knee, towards the shin bone. One. Then inhale up, open your chest, look up. Exhale, go down towards the knees and shin bone. Inhale up, stretch. Exhale down. You can hold here 3 to 5 breaths. Stay and keep active your left leg, which is back, stretch. Active and stretchable. 3 to 5 breaths after. Inhale, come up. Exhale. Then little advanced practice. Palms together, front of the chest. Namaste. Yes. Maintain the shoulder and hip one line and stay here. Then after inhale, raise your arms up. Good. Look your thumbs. Stay, look your thumbs here. 1, leg okay. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, palms together. Support palm, fingertips on the ground. And release your hands and go back to Ardha Hanumanasana. Slowly right leg back, left leg back, and stretch. Breathe in and breathe out. You can go Ashtanga Namaskar. Knee, chest, chin down. Bhujangasana up. And then down dog pose. Back. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Child pose. Relax. So this is the way you can go Hanumanasana, middle to advanced practice. Namaste. Hari Om.